Let us start our session. So as I was explaining that we have done some pre-population and we have taken the earlier sheet what we have used earlier, and we will go each and every guide one by one. If it is relevant, we will keep it. If it is not relevant, we will remove it or we will modify it. So let us start with the first section, that is a sequence. In the first section, there are various prompts are there. So let us see construction and design sequence. So we are in the feed phase. So we have done the design, and for construction phase, preliminary sequence mentioned and approved method statement will be in place during EPC phase. During EPC phase, all method statement must be prepared and approved by the company. This is the, very high level information. Since we do not know the, approach, and we do not know whether we need shutdown. So Rakesh, I want to take one recommendation to evaluate the option of the installation of S2S as well as dew point analyzer. I think we will take the same recommendation, right?
No,
As per
Chairman.
HG.
Okay. Here, actually, this requirement, shall be discussed with operations during current stage and has to be finalized at the field because, otherwise we still keep it in the, like dilemma something whether it has to be verified during EPC because we know that time has to be taken from the high pressure system. So either
Yes.
design team to approach the operations team what is the way forward and they put it in their process philosophy or operating philosophy. Shutdown is required or not for time. If it is required, then when operations will decide